What is up, ladies and gentlemen? Here we are with another quick tutorial video. Now, I was just browsing through my computer trying to get some shit done for the channel and all that when I noticed that my computer wasn't using all of the RAM I have installed. Now, I already went and fixed this problem, but this actually seems to be an issue that lots of people run into when they have computers, is that your system automatically sets aside a certain amount of your RAM at times so it can use it in case of an emergency, and this RAM becomes unusable for other programs. Now, for some people, this isn't a big deal because, for example, I have 32 gigabytes of RAM, so if my computer takes 2 gigabytes of that, I still have 30 gigabytes of RAM, and it's not that big of an issue. But for some people, this is a pretty big deal. So what you're going to do is you're going to go down to the Start menu, and you're going to type in msconfig. Once you've typed in msconfig, a menu like this is going to pop up, and this is for Windows 10. I don't mess with Macs because Macs are for peasants. Just so y'all know. So anyways, once you get here, you're going to go over to boot. And once you're at boot, you're going to go down to advanced options. Don't mess with all this stuff. You don't want to screw over your computer. Clicking random shit that you don't know anything about is going to screw up your computer. Once you click advanced options, now I already turned it off because I don't know why it decided to take some of my RAM away. But when you go over here, you'll see maximum memory right here in the top right area. What you're going to see if you're having your RAM taken away from you is you're going to see it clicked like that, and you don't want it clicked like that. That means that it's going to be using a certain amount of your RAM for storage or just different processes. It means you can't access it. And for people who have 8 gigabytes of RAM or 16 gigabytes of RAM, that's a huge no-no. So you're going to want to unclick that. Oh shit, look at that. I already messed it up. Anyways, unclick that so that there's nothing showing there. Once you've unclicked that, you press OK, and then you press Apply, and then you press OK again. And then this is going to pop up, and you're going to want to hit Restart. Do not hit Exit without Restart. It will not apply the changes unless you hit Restart. You need to hit that Restart button. Again, the thing you type into the Start menu is msconfig. msconfig. Okay, and this is how you make it so you can change so your computer isn't using all of your RAM. If you have any questions, feel free to type in the comments. If you want more tutorials on anything, let me know. I'll just be doing videos when I find something that I feel like I need to mention. Alright, make sure you leave a like, subscribe. Thank you for all the support.